Hello everyone! For today's DIY project, you'll need a single module DIN rail outlet, a 10 amp circuit breaker which is also mounted on a single DIN rail. A radio relay with a remote control that operates at 433 mHz is needed, and it should be for 220 volts because they also come in 12 volts. And lastly, you'll need a box with a lid which is used for circuit breakers. Unscrew the two screws and remove the lid. After removing the lid, mount the circuit breaker with the socket onto a DIN rail. After that, feed a 3-core cable with a cross-section of 2.5 square millimeters into the box. Next, strip the insulation from the cable and crimp it with NSHVI ferrules. By the way, I make these devices to order, so if anyone needs one, you can write in the comments or message me on Telegram. This device is inexpensive and will be useful in every home. To be continued. Next, we connect the yellow-green wire to the grounding contact of the outlet. The brown wire connects to the circuit breaker input. The blue wire is connected to the neutral contact of the outlet, and you need to add a jumper to it right away. Connect two jumpers to the circuit breaker output. Now take the radio relay and connect it. I'm showing everything clearly, what to connect and where, and at the end, I'll also add a diagram. It's all very easy to do, so you'll be able to assemble this device yourself, but if something still doesn't work out for you, I'll say it again, you can order it from me. For this, leave a comment or message me on Telegram. We place the radio relay inside and connect its phase output to the socket. Here's how the installation turned out. Everything is done according to the diagram shown on the screen. We close the cover and tighten the screws. Next, you need to connect a grounded plug to the wire. At this stage, the homemade device is finished. Everything is done neatly and reliably. Well, now let's move on to testing it. We plug in the cord and connect some kind of device to the outlet. I'm using a light bulb. Now, if you press the button on the remote, the outlet turns on. With another button, it turns off. And as you can see, we have an outlet that can be controlled with a remote. It's much more powerful than the ones available for sale. The operating range is 100 meters. With it, you can, for example, turn off the battery charger without having to go to the garage. You can also control a heater or ventilation. And you can also use it to turn on garden irrigation. It's very useful and has many applications. If you'd like to order one, comment or message me on Telegram. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.